Welcome to our YouTube video on repair. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what repair means in quality management. Shortly, what is the definition? Repair is the process of fixing or restoring a defective product so that it can be used as intended, even if it may not fully meet all original specifications. Unlike rework, repair focuses on making the item functional, not necessarily bringing it back to perfect condition. Think of repair like fixing a flat tire. The car may not be brand new, but it can run safely and serve its purpose again. So, why is repair so important? Because it extends product life, reduces waste, and allows organizations to recover value from items that might otherwise be scrapped. It's a cost-saving and sustainability-driven practice in quality management. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.